है आज एसएससी जो अंडमान निकोबार में कॉमन रिक्रूटमेंट एग्जाम कंडक्ट किया है मैट्रिक लेवल का, उसी के आंसर की लेके आपके सामने आया हूँ. लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. इट्स अ मैथ्स क्वेश्चन. The excess duty of a certain item has been reduced to a 580 from 870. The percentage of reduction is, so the excess duty has reduced from 580 to 870. 580 minus 870 by 870 into 100. It's 100 by 3 means 33 by 1 by 3. The correct answer is 33 1 by 3. Next, invar is an alloy of iron and nickel. Next question, write the next number to complete the series. You can see the series. 2 का साथ 3 plus हुआ है, 5 का साथ 4, 9 का साथ 5, 14 का साथ 6, 20 का साथ 7 and 8 and then 9 and 10. 44 plus 10, 54 is the right answer. The material used for a fuse wire should have low melting point and high resistance. So the right answer is low melting point. Next we have out of the 4 alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word and mark it in the answer sheet. So the first synonyms of incomplete is unfinished. Next, demaneuver, its behavior. Next, blatant, obvious. Privileged, specialized. Next we have a question. The volume of a cube is V, its total surface area is A and the length of its diagonal is Z. Appropriate units, the value of Az by V is equal to, so we know volume of a cube is A cube and then as a total surface area is 4A square and diagonal is A root 3. So as per the question required, AZV means A means surface area means 4A square into Z means A root 3 diagonal and V is A cube. A cube will be divided by A square A. The right answer is 4 root 3. 4 root 3. Option D is correct answer, 4 root 3. Next question. The adrenal gland are located in over the top of each kidneys. Next, improvement type questions. No sooner had we arrived than had का साथ वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म लगता है तो arrived आएगा. Had we arrived. So option D is correct. Next, he will come to school yesterday. It's a future tense and yesterday is of past tense. So the right option will be he will come to school tomorrow. Next, the British were in knowledge of India's characteristic unit. In knowledge का जगह aware आएगा. Option A is correct. Next, people from far and near came to see the exhibition. Far and further, FARTHR, further. Okay, next we have a passage on organic farming. Let's see the answers. The first question is, the passage indicates the need to find better methods of inorganic farming. Next, the techniques of organic farming were developed thousands of years ago. Indiscriminate use of chemical pesticides results higher crop production but poses health hazards. The main objective of organic farming is to sustain the health of the natural and the human world. Next we have, find out a word in the passage which means done at random or without careful judgment. The right answer is indiscriminate. Next, uh, choose the correct answer on the basis of grammar. He dash when we arrive. He will be sleeping when we arrive. Next, I think all drivers. It's a confused. I didn't get the answer actually of 21 number. Please suggest if you know the answer. Next, 22. Dash your problems. You must do it. Despite your problems, you must do it. In spite का साथ off लगता है. Despite का साथ नहीं लगता है. Next, may the departed soul rest in peace. Next, the leading producer of copper ore in India is Madhya Pradesh. Next, we have one word substitution. Incapable of being seen through opaque. Next, a partner in crime, accomplice. A soothing song for putting babies to sleep, lullaby. Next, money paid to victims to make up for the tragedies that have struck them, compensation. Find the word on. First one is deer, wolf, fox, panther. These three are carnivorous. Deer is herbivorous. So deer is the right answer. ये तीनों predators है. Next, 150, 250, 175, 200 तीनों इवन है. ये odd है. Beside ये 50 से divisible है. ये 50 से नहीं है. Next, sequence questions. There are numerous kinds of superstitions in different parts of the country, but people go on respecting it through force of blind customs. Most of them have a bearing on luck, good or bad. Superstitions usually have their origin in fear and ignorance. Nobody remembers now how a superstition first started in remote areas. So the first sequence will be most of them superstition usually have their origin in fear and ignorance are and then but are and then QP. The right sequence will be QPRS. Option A is the right answer. Next, it is easy to make tea. When it gets boiled, tea leaves are added. After boiling it for a few minutes, milk and sugar added. Water is kept on the gas to boil. When the mixture comes to boil, it is taken off from the gas. It is a simple process. सबसे पहले जो होता है वो है water is kept on the gas to boil. So R will be the first option. And then after boiling it for a few minutes, milk and sugar are added. RQSP. No. RPQS. RPQS. Option A is correct answer. Next, the population cell of Directorate of Education held the district level poem recitation competition at our school. There was tough competition among the rest. Two students from each zone of the West District took part in it. My voice, expression, and recitation impressed the judges. Two of the participants forgot their lines and two crossed the time limit. So, the first will be there was a tough competition among the rest. And then two of the participants forgot their lines and two crossed the time. My voice, expressed, and recitation impressed the judges. Two students from the each zone of West District took part in it. I bagged the first position. So the correct answer will be QSPR. Two students from the each zone of the West District took part in it. Two of the participants forgot their lines, and then there was a tough competition. My voice was impressed, and I bagged the first position. Next, I was very excited about going to Shimla. I was feeling great as I had heard a lot about the place. I was very much upset and disappointed but the train was delayed by 1 hour on the particular day we left from home early for the station. So S will be the beginning of the series, and there is only S with first option, option D. Or option D is the correct answer. Next, the market price of an article is 500. A discount of 10% is allowed on the market price, and a profit of 20% is made. The CP of the article is so there is a formula for this. Cost price and market price का एक formula है. वो है market price is equal to cost price 100 plus profit by 100 minus discount percent. So market price is given 500, CP is missing, 100 plus profit percent is 20, and 100 minus discount is 10. So 500 is equal to CP 120 by 90. So CP is equal to 500 into 90 by 120. 0 0 125 into 3, 375. Cost fees is 375. Option C is correct answer. Option C 375. Next we have a family consists of grandfather, grandmother. So we need to make a chart first. So there is grandfather and grandmother. Then father, mother, two aunt, four sons. Their wives, one grandson, one granddaughter. Into 4. And one granddaughter each of the sons. And one grandson and one granddaughter each of the sons. So there are 4 grandson and then 4 granddaughter. How many female members are there? So 4 plus 4, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. A family consists of grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, 2 aunts, 4 sons, their wives, and 1 grandson and 1 granddaughter, each of the sons. So 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the right answer. Option A. Next, 4 words are given in each question. Out of the 1 word is correctly spelled. Correctly spelled word. Commentator. Commentator. Option C is correct. Sovereign. Option B is correct. Sovereign. Next, utterance. Utterance. Next we have nutrients. Nutrient. Utterance utterance. Next, opposite word adequate. Adequate's opposite word deficient. Next, retreat, advance, dazzling, drab, swift, leisurely. In 2021, G20 summit was hosted by which country? It's Italy. It is in Rome. Next, he is very selfish man, but you can't help liking him, can't you? So there is a question tag, can't you? There is a mistake in it. Already can't is here. So can you? The correct question tag will be can you. So option D is incorrect. Next, although he jumped aside, but the stone hit him. So but the stone will be the right answer. It is true that aeroplanes are a very good means. A and means आएगा यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे A omit होगा और means आएगा यहाँ पे. ये option B is correct. Next, we live in Shillong since 1999. Since का यूज जब किया गया है तो ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में आएगा. So we live. Option C. If last is coded as 9184, 9184, and bed is coded as 5617. So best, B for 5, E for 6, S for 8, and T for 4. 5684. 5684 is the right answer. Option B. Next, Vice President is the ex-officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. Option A. Angami tribe is chiefly found in Nagaland. Next, find out the answer figure which is hidden in the question figure. Which one is hidden in the question figure? Option B is correct. It is hidden in this figure. Next, all wives are ladies. Next, we have a statement and with conclusion. All wives are ladies. Kavita is a lady. All ladies are wives. No. All wives are ladies. That doesn't mean that all ladies are wives. Kavita is a wife. All wives are ladies. Kavita is a lady. Yes, Kavita is a wife. Option 2 is correct. Only conclusion 2 follows. Option B is correct. Next, all snakes are reptiles. Some reptiles have legs. No snake has legs. Okay. No reptile is a snake. No. All snakes are reptiles. That means some reptiles are snakes. No animals having legs is a snake. No animal having legs is a snake. Some reptiles have legs. No snake has legs. Correct. Option 2 is correct. Option 2. Only option 2. Both conclusion 1 and 2. Neither conclusion 1 is valid, but conclusion 2 is valid, but conclusion 1 is not valid. Option D is correct. Next, डॉक्टर टू पेशेंट. डॉक्टर पेशेंट को देखता है, टीचर स्टूडेंट्स को देखता है. 3 का क्यूब 27 प्लस 2, 4 का क्यूब 64 प्लस 2 66. Next, ISI, Eggmark or Hallmark are logos of assured quality of the item. Next we have active passive, do it, let it be done. Next, they had finished the preparations by the time the guests arrived. The preparations had been finished. Where is the preparations had been finished? By the time the guests arrived. By them. The preparations are. Option C is correct. The preparations had been finished by the time the guests arrived. By them is not necessary here. Next, who preached the Advaita philosophy? Advaita philosophy was preached by Shankaracharya. Option C is correct. Next, we have a passage on cell phones and computers, and its questions are like this. What is the passage mostly about? पैसेज 2 पेज का था, बहुत ही लेंदी था, मे बी आप लोग नहीं किए मैक्सिमम. What is the passage mostly about? Cell phones, computers, and how they send information from one place to another is the right answer. Next, what is the one way that computer use has changed over time? So the right answer will be computers were first used by the military to send sensitive informations, but now they are used in homes, schools, and offices to send all kinds of information. Next question we have, what does the author compare to cell phones in the passage? The author compares computers to cell phones. Next we have, what are the two examples of technology that send information over long distance? So cell phones and computer is the correct answer. Next, it's possible with current technologies capabilities to transmit digital information over long distance using coding and decoding processes without losing the contents of the original information. What does the word transmit means? Transmit here means convey. Option D, convey is the right answer. Next we have, compared to the boiling water, the heat content of steam is high. It's D, higher. Array is a homogeneous data type of computer. Next we have pie chart related questions. Let's see the pie chart first. It has degree of 80 degree, 40 degree, 48 degree, 72 degree, and 120 degree with savings, entertainment, fee, conveyance, and daily expenses. So let's see the questions now. What is the amount spent on school fee? Is 5,000 were spent on conveyance. What is the amount spent on school fee? What is this amount spent on school fee? यदि 5,000 वाहन पर खर्च किए गए तो स्कूल फीस पर कितने? ओके, सो वी नीड टू फाइंड द टोटल मनी फ्रॉम इट फर्स्ट. सो द क्वेश्चन सेज, क्वेश्चन में बताया गया है कि यदि 5,000 वाहन पर खर्च किया, कन्वीनियंस में आपको 5,000 खर्च किया गया है, तो कन्वीनियंस का डिग्री था 40 डिग्री, 40 डिग्री बाई 360 डिग्री इंटू एक्स, क्योंकि हम लोग नहीं पता टोटल कितना है, इज 5,000. दैट मीन्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू 5,000 इंटू 360 बाई 40. It's 45,000. So if it is 45,000, then the question is amount spent on school fees. School fees का है आपका 48 डिग्री, 48 डिग्री बाई 360 डिग्री इंटू 45,000. It's 6,000. The right answer will be 6,000. Next, what is the ratio of expenses on convenience to entertainment? तो कन्वीनियंस और एंटरटेनमेंट का जो रेशियो है वो डिग्री से डायरेक्ट हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं. सो डिग्री इज, कन्वीनियंस का 40 डिग्री है और एंटरटेनमेंट का 72 डिग्री है. फाइव बाई 9, 5:9 is the correct answer. 5:9. Convenience to entertainment. Next, what is the percentage of his savings per month? Percentage of savings per month. So from degree we need to make percentage. Saving का जो डिग्री है वो है 120 डिग्री, 120 बाई 360 इंटू परसेंटेज बनाना है 100, 0, 12 10 जा 120, 12 3 जा 36. Now 100 by 3%. So 100 by 3% means 0.33%. Sorry, it's 33%. Next, what is the difference between his savings and entertainment expenses if the total income for the month was 54,000? So if it is 54,000, then जो टोटल एक्सपेंसेस है सेविंग्स और एंटरटेनमेंट का वो उन अलग से निकालना होगा. सेविंग्स का 120 डिग्री बाई 360 इंटू 5400 000 ये सेविंग्स है, और एंटरटेनमेंट का है 72 बाई 360 इंटू 5400 एंटरटेनमेंट. ओके, नाउ थ्री 8 24, 18,000, 12 3 जा 12 6 जा 3 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 5 2 जा 10, 10,800, 10,800 minus 18,000, 00229. Sorry, 7200. So the correct answer is 7200. Option C is correct, 7200. Next, select the correct indirect form of given sentences. Now direct and indirect tense. Are you joining us for lunch? She asked me. So the question started from helping verb, that means if or whether. There is if, whether, Every option has if and whether. She asked me if I if I was joining them for lunch. Option C is correct. She asked me if I was joining them for lunch. Next, sorry. Are you joining us for lunch? She asked me. So the right answer will be she asked me if I was joining them for lunch. Next we have we want to go to SL word cried the childhood. Cried the children. The children cried that they wanted to go to SL world. So the right answer will be option A. Okay, next option A. The children cried that they wanted to go to SL world. Next, idioms and phrases. Face the music means accept unpleasant consequences. Next we have spike and span. The right answer will be well arranged. Next we have our school is a stone's throw. Stone's throw means very near, off and on occasionally. Next, from maths question. If CP of 10 article is equal to SP of 9 article, the profit or loss percentage, there is a formula for this, that is A minus B by B into 100. So there is 10 minus 9 by 9 into 100. It's 1 by 9 into 100, 100 by 9. 100 by 9 profit percent. Answer is in plus, so it will be profit percent 100 by 9. Next, which year India became a member of the UNO? So UNO was the primary member of UNO, and UNO started from 1945. The correct answer is 1945. Among the 51 member, India was also a chief member of UNO formation. Next, if a plot is sold for 1,18,700, the owner loses 15%. The price at which it must be sold to gain 25% is. So SP of the property is 18,700 and loss percent is 15%. So from this we can find the cost price. SP is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percent by minus let me see first. I am little by 100. So SP is 18,700. Cost price is missing 100 minus 15 by 100. Cost price is equal to 18,700 into 100 by 85. $17. $17.11. So cost price is equal to 22,000. So the cost price of the article is 22,000. Now, if he wants to make a profit of 25%, we can into it with 125 by 100. So 125 into 22, 0, 27,500. So the right answer is option B, 27,500. Next, P is related to Q, R bears same relationship with S. Find figures from S from the alternatives. So next, the value of 9768 13 by 18 minus 4213 4 by 18 minus 555 by 1 by 2 is equal to 0. If you divide 13 by 18, you will get 0.73, and if you divide 4 by 18, you will get 0.23, and 1 by 2 0.5. So likewise 9768 minus 42.73, sorry, 4213.23 minus 5555.5. If you calculate this, you will get the answer 0. Next, compare the series by selecting correct alternatives. 1 2 3 3 also 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Option D is correct. Which of the following is the author of the book The Odyssey of Hope? So the Odyssey of Hope is written by it's Barack Obama. Next we have dice question. Two positions of the dice are given below. What number will be there opposite to 3? So there is no 3 here. 5 का सब 2 and 6 है, 5 का सब 1 and 4 है, 5 का 3 हो सकता है, 1 4 7 So the most probable answer will be option B, 5. If day after tomorrow is Sunday, day after tomorrow, Sunday means Saturday, and it is Friday. What was yesterday? Friday, Thursday. The right answer is Thursday, option A. Option A, Thursday. Next, amyobiasis is caused by entamoeba histolytica. Next, pointing to a man on the stage, Rama said, "He is brother of the daughter of the wife of my husband." Rama said, "He is the brother of the daughter of the wife of my husband." That means wife is he, she herself, Rama, of my husband. He is the brother. Son. Option A is correct, son. How is the man on the stage related to Rama? Son. He is the मेरे पति का बीवी का बेटी का भाई है. That means मेरा बेटा है. Okay, next. A pump can fill a tank with water in 2 hours. Because of a leak in the tank, it takes 2.5 hours to fill the tank. The leak can empty the tank in. So, according to the pipe formula, let me solve it. लेट एक्स टाइम में पूरा टैंक खाली हो जाएगा. देन 1 आवर में 1/x खाली होगा. एंड 2 आवर में 2 आवर में फिल्ड होगा 1/2। तो जितना खाली होगा और जितना भरेगा उसका इक्वल होगा जितना आवर में वो कंप्लीट फुल होगा। तो 1/2 प्लस 1/x इज इक्वल टू 2.5 आवर मीन्स 5/2। 5/2 का ऑपोजिट लिखना है क्योंकि 1 में हम लोग लिखते हैं 2/5। तो 2x x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 2/5। 5x प्लस 10 इज इक्वल टू 4x। 5x माइनस 4x इज इक्वल टू 10। x is equal to 10. So the correct answer is 10 hour. Option C. Next. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and their LCM is 48. The numbers are, इट्स सिंपल, 2:3 में 16 एंड 24 ही है, उसमें कोई मैथ्स करने की जरूरत ही नहीं, ऑप्शन से पता चल जाता है 16:24 आ गया। नेक्स्ट, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए स्फीयर इज इक्वल इन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ इट्स सरफेस एरिया, इट्स रेडियस इज, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए स्फीयर, volume of a sphere is pi r cube is equal to the magnitude of surface area 4 pi r square. Then pi cancel हो जाएगा and r square r cube cancel हो जाएगा, r is equal to 4. That means radius is equal to 4 unit. Next, an economic system in which all means of productions are owned by the state is called socialist economy. Next question, the colored circle of the eye is known as iris. The Nobel Peace Prize 2022 was awarded to Alice Bieletsky. Hydrogen sulfide in air turns lead paint into black color. Next, a piece of paper is folded and cut as shown below in the question figure. From the given answer figures indicates how it will appear when opened. So first ऐसा हुआ, इसके बाद इसको कंप्लीट कर लीजिए, ये हो गया, then it will be open like this. So here will be another one and here will be another one, here will be another one, 4 line. Okay, option A is correct. Next, in a human body, the cells that actively participate in transfer of electrical signals are neurons. The Ceylon's Buddhist Chronicles is Mahavasma. अगर आप बुद्धिस्ट का हिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा दिस इज महाभस्म. नेक्स्ट, ए पॉइंटर होल्ड्स एड्रेस ऑफ वेरिएबल्स. क्वेश्चन इज ए पॉइंटर होल्ड्स एड्रेस ऑफ वेरिएबल्स. नेक्स्ट, which one of the following chemicals is used as an anti-freezing materials in radiation of automobiles? The right answer is glycol. Next, the organism which causes food poisoning is Clostridium. The preservation used for food storage, sodium benzoate. Next, which one of the following Nawabs of Bengal shifted his capital from Dhaka to Murshidabad? The correct answer is Murshid Qali Khan. The capital of Magadha under Bimbisar is Rajagriha. Next, 25 emergency lamp costs 7,500. In that, average cost of 20 lamp is 250. Then average cost of rest of lamp is, so there are 25 lamps and total cost is 7,500. 20 lamps average cost means 250 into 20, 5,000. Remaining portion 2,500. Then average cost of the rest of the lamp, 5 lamps left, 2,500 by 5, 500. 500 will be the right answer. Option B. Next, which of the following curve is close to the meaning of the cost of producing on unit of output? The right answer is average total unit cost curve. Next, storm surge is related to tropical cyclone. Who has been appointed as the Chief of Defence Staff in 2022? So the right answer is Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan, retired. And General Manoj Pandit was the General of army. So the right answer is Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan. Next, a family has a man, his wife, their 4 sons, and their wives. The family of every son also has 3 sons and 1 daughter. Find out the total number of male members. So we need to make it family tree again. A family has a man, wife, their 4 sons and their wives. 4 sons, 4 wives. The family of every son also has 3 sons. 3 sons into 4 and 1 daughter into 4. So find out the total number of male member. So 4 3s are 12. Here 4 sons, 12 plus 4 and man 1. 12 plus 4 16, 1 17. 17 is the right answer, option A. Who developed low level equilibrium trap? The right answer is R. N. Nelson. Next, chloride shift is associated with the transport of carbon dioxide, CO2. Next, wolf warrior diplomacy is being adopted by which country? It's China. It's famous. It is in news nowadays. Next, guys, are you able to watch it clearly? Means it is visible or not, right? Let me check the camera. Okay, next question. If c square plus d square is equal to 4, c minus d whole square is 2. Find the value of 6cd. So let's do it. We will go to the second part. C minus d whole square is equal to 2. So c square plus d square plus 2cd is equal to 2. C square plus d square as given is 4 plus 2cd is equal to 2. 2cd is equal to 2 minus 4. So 2cd is equal to minus 2. cd is equal to minus 2 by 2 minus 1. So now the question asked 6cd. So it multiplies 6 from both sides. 6cd is equal to minus 1 into 6, that is minus 6. Minus 6 is the right answer. Is the right answer, minus 6. Next, Environment Protection Act was enacted on 1986. Next, which one of the following is not related with chemical weathering? Abolition. Next, the square root of the difference of a decimal number from 48.09 is 5.7. The decimal number is 117 is not clear to me, so I didn't able to do it. Please reply in your comment box if you can solve it. 48.0 से किस दशमलव संख्या के अंतर का वर्गमूल? Okay, let me try once again. 48.09 minus x square is equal to 5.7. So minus x square is equal to 5.7 minus 48.09. So if we minus it, 48.09 minus 5.7 to minus 42.39. I don't think this number has a square root. Okay, yet I will try. 42.39 36 96 point. No, please comment the right answer if you could solve the question. Next, which Indian conservationist won UNEP's Champion of Earth Award in November 2022? Its the right answer is Purnima Devi Burman. Next, the Wildlife Protection Act was enacted in 1972. Next, The ratio of the money with A and B is 1:3, and that with B and C is 2:1. If A has 500, then C has, so A by B is equal to 1/3 and B by C is equal to 2/1. मीन प्रोपोर्शन अलग है तो इसे सेम करना होगा. इसे 2 से इंटू कर देते हैं. 2/6 and this one will be 3. 6/3. So now the ratio is 2:6:3. So if A has 500, 2x is equal to 500. X is equal to 500. X is equal to 500 by 2. 250. And 3x will be 3 into 250. 750. 750 will be the right answer. Option B is correct. Next, the dash tells the computer how to use its component. The right answer is operating system. Next, we have the question of maths. How many bricks, each measuring 25 centimeter into 11.25 centimeter into 6 centimeter, will be required to construct a wall of dimension 25 meter into 6 meter into 22.5 centimeter? So पहले हमें सबको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. 25 centimeter into 11.25 centimeter into 6 centimeter, and here it is 25 meter means 2500 centimeter into 600 centimeter into 22.5 centimeter. So इसे अगर हम लोग 25 into 11.25 into 6 से इसे डिवाइड कर दे, 600 and then 2500 and here 11.25, 11.25, right? 0.252. So 2000. The right answer is option B, 20,000. Next, a piece of paper is folded and punched as shown below in the question figure. From the given figure, answer figure indicates how it will appear when opened it. So it will be like this one. Option B is correct answer. Next, the south equatorial current in Atlantic Ocean is produced by southeast trade winds. Option B. Next, from the following alternatives, select the word which cannot be built using the letter of the given word. Audio visual. So first option is audit. There is no T in audio visual. So option A is correct, audit. Next, a railway train 100 meters long is traveling at a speed of 36 km per hour. The time taken by the train to pass a bridge of 80 meter long in second is. So first of all, we need to convert the speed into meter per second. 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर मीटर पर सेकंड करने के लिए 5/18, 9 2 जा 9 4 जा 10 meter per second. So speed is equal to distance by time. Here distance is 100 meter plus 80 meter, 180 meter. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 180 and speed is 18 second. Correct answer is option B. Next, Snake Island is in the South China Sea. Next, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 4. So let's put it in the note first. Let the numerator be x The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 4. So the denominator will be x plus 4. If the numerator is increased by 1, if numerator is increased by 1, if the numerator is increased by 11, and the denominator is decreased by 1, then the new number becomes 7 by 3. Now solve it. X plus 11 by x plus 3 is equal to 7 by 3. 3x plus 33 is equal to 7x plus 21. 3x minus 7x is equal to 21 minus 33. 5x is equal to minus 12. X is equal to minus 12 by minus 5. 12 by 5. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 4. Okay. If the numerator is increased by 11 and denominator is decreased by 1, then new number becomes 7 by 3. 3x plus 33, 7x plus 21. Minus 4x is equal to minus 12. X is equal to minus 12 by minus 4. X is equal to 3. So the numerator is 3. The denominator will be 3 plus 4. 3 plus 3 by 7. So right answer is option D, 3 by 7. आप इसे डायरेक्ट फर्स्ट ऑप्शन से भी पता चल जाता है. द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ ए रैशनल नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन इट्स न्यूमरेटर बाय 7 बाय 4. सो 3 प्लस 4 7. यही ऑप्शन आना चाहिए. ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट. CFC यूज इज गवर्न बाय द फॉलोइंग समिट. कौन सा समिट में CFC का जिक्र हुआ था? दैट इज मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल. ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट. If division means into means plus means minus, and minus means divide, find the value of 16 into 3 plus 5 minus 2 divided by 4. So into means plus means minus means divide, and divide means into. So where is divide? 16 plus 3 minus 5 divide by 2 into 4. 2 5 2 10. 16 plus 3 19. 9 is the right answer. Option C, 9. Next, 131. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Very easy question. Annie Besant. Next, select the one which is different from the other three figures. Option C. The Kaleshwaran lift irrigation system is constructed in Telangana. The fourth atmospheric layer is called exosphere. Actually, it is mesosphere, but there is no mesosphere here, so it's exosphere. Next. Foreign trade helps only to balance the payment to foreign countries. Next. Arrange the following words according to the English dictionary. Proclamation. Pro. CCL 1 2 3 4 ABCD. Option C is correct. ABCD. Next, select the missing term from the given alternatives. So it is 12 divided by 84, 7, 7 2 14. 9 divided by 81, 9, 9 2 18. 11 divided by 88, 8, 8 2 16. Option D, 16. Next, the President of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next, the north wind shift of the intertropical convergence over India leads to the onset of southwest monsoon. Which one of the following is an extra constitutional body? Niti Aayog. Next question. Compound interest compounded annually on a certain sum of money P is 0.21 P. after a period of 2 years. The rate of interest per annum is, so compound interest formula, compound interest is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So compound interest is here 0.21 P is equal to P 1 plus R is missing, R by 100, n is 2 years. P cancel हो जाएगा, 0.21 is equal to 100 plus R by 100 into 100 plus R by 100. Next, 0.21 into 100 into 100 is equal to 100 square plus R square plus 200 R. 2100 is equal to R square plus 200 R. R square plus 200 R is equal to minus something. Let it do it again. 0.21 P is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 n. P cancel हो जाएगा, 0.21 square is equal to 1 plus 100. Guys, I will supply the answer of this 141 tomorrow. If you know the answer, please comment. The average of all odd number up to 100, there are 50 odd numbers up to 100, that is 50 square. Formula is n square, 50 square 550 25. Sorry, 50 square average, that is 50. Correct answer is option C. The average of all odd numbers up to 100 is n, only n 50. Next, A lends 25,000 to B and a certain sum to C at the same time at 7% per annum simple interest. If after 4 years A together receives 1120 as interest from B and C, then the sum lent to C is. So there are two simple interest. One is PRT by 100 plus PRT by 100 to 1 2 2 2 2 is equal to टोटल जो इंटरेस्ट आया है ये ए को दिया गया है, ये बी को दिया गया है, दोनों मिलाने के बाद आपको आएगा टोटल जो इंटरेस्ट 1120. तो फर्स्ट वाला है P2500 R है 7%, टाइम है 4 ईयर बाई 100 प्लस P2 हमें नहीं पता, R है 7%, टाइम है 4/100 इज इक्वल टू 1120। तो इससे जो कॉमन जाता है वो है 7 × 4/100। अगर कॉमन ले लेते हैं हम लोग तो यहाँ पे रहेगा 2500 प्लस P2 इज इक्वल टू 1120। सो 2500 प्लस P2 इज इक्वल टू 1120 इंटू 100/28, 14, 50, 7, 25, 160, 25 into 16, 4000, 2500 plus P2. So P2 is will be 4000 minus 2500, 1500. So the right answer will be 1500, option A. Next, the percentage required to pass in a paper is 50%, well is equal to 70% mark. 70 marks, 70 marks अगर 50% है तो टोटल मार्क्स होगा 140, ऑप्शन ए. Next, the famous temples known for their architecture excellences at Belur, Halabid and Somnathpur were built by the Hesalas. Option C, Hesalas. Next, how many Sikhs are there in the following sequence which are immediately preceded by 3 and immediately followed by 9? 3 और 9 का बीच में कितना 6 है? No, 1, no, 2, no, 3, no, 4, 4. Option B is correct, 4. Next, on the last page, out of 4 responses figures, which figure will best represent the relationship among gold, jewelry and silver? Gold, jewelry and silver. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, ज्वेलरी जो गोल्ड और सिल्वर दोनों से बनता है, ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट, मैथ्स क्वेश्चन, 60 AB 57377 is divisible by 99, then A plus B is, so the number is, ए पे कर देता हूँ, 60 AB 57377. अगर ये 99 से डिवाइड होता तो ये 9 से भी डिवाइड होना है, तो हम लोग सारे डिजिट को प्लस कर लेते हैं. 7 7 14, 15 16 17 18 19, 7 7 21 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 35 35 1. We need only 1 or 10. So option A is correct, or otherwise if we alternate them, sorry, option 10 is not correct. And then A plus B is 10. plus 1 चाहिए. Okay, from 9, only 9 we can get it. 1B 57377. If we add all the digits, we'll get 21, 24, 24 plus 29, 35. So we need 1 to get the answer, only 1. तो 36 होगा जो 9 से डिवाइडेड होता है, या तो 1 होगा या तो ऐसा डिजिट चाहिए जो कि 9 + 1 10 हो। तो 91 या तो 19 होना चाहिए, तो दोनों प्लस करने से 10 ही होगा। इससे ऊपर भी नहीं जा सकता, नीचे भी नहीं जा सकता। 10 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, ए डिवाइस यूज्ड फॉर कन्वर्टिंग AC into DC is called rectifier. And the last question, in which state Kanya Vidyadhan Yojana is operational? Uttar Pradesh. Guys, I tried my best to give you the most probable answers. I think some of or maybe some of them also are incorrect. If you find some incorrect answer, please comment in the comment box so that other students gets benefit of that. And thank you for watching. Thank you. Keep watching Writing Talks. Bye bye. All the best, everyone.